This is a folding walker that was sent over to me to test and make this video. I'm going to give you a brief overview of this walker, then I'm going to demonstrate the setup so that you can decide if this is right for you or not. Let's get into it. Let's start off with how this comes out of the box. There is some minimal assembly required, but it's very minimal. The only thing you have to do is attach the backrest. There's two T-nuts here, wing nuts that you need to take off, put the backrest on, put those back on. The other thing is putting the cane rest at the bottom there, simply slides over the top of the lip down there, and it's all set up and ready to go. Setup on this is super easy. You're just going to release the Velcro straps, lift up on it, this locks into place. Then there's a latch on this side over here, release the latch, push it in the middle, locks into place. Then you're gonna put your bag on the front. Obviously the flap goes into the front there. You got your two loops, goes on. And just like that, it's ready to go. So this is fairly lightweight. I think they say it's rated at 21 pounds. It's got some very soft wheels here. These wheels are extremely soft, so they're going to roll over your rough surfaces very smoothly. You've got very ergonomic handles here. The brakes are ergonomic. You can adjust the height of it very easily according to your height level. The chair is very comfortable to sit in. This is rated for 300 pounds. I'm 6 foot, 220 pounds. I feel very secure sitting down in this here. The backrest is in the perfect position, so it's very comfortable to sit in. You've got this nice bag on the front here. They do give you a shoulder strap, so when you're ready to stow this here, you take your bag off, you can attach the shoulder strap, and then you carry your belongings around in the bag. So if you're looking for a lightweight, comfortable, easy to deploy walker for yourself, this may be an option to consider. I hope this helps.